Come in.
Good morning. Is your dad around?
No, he's not around. Come in. You're to fix the...
Yes, I was asked to come and fix the TV in your dad's room.
Oh,
so
it's over there, so just fix it.
Okay, let me go and check what the problem is first, and I'll tell you what the bills are.
No, it's fine. My father gave me the money to pay.
He gave you the money already?
Yes.
Okay, no problem. Let me go and check it first.
Okay.
Let me go and check it. You see, I've checked it. There are a few problems with that TV. That fuse alone is 15,000 naira. Oh. And before we can get it, you need to go to Alaba. It's only one person, the whole of Alaba is only one person that sells that kind of fuse. That's number one. Number two, that screen is almost 300,000.
Are you serious?
And you know that TV was imported. You know, so I don't know where you're going to get that money from now. Let me just arrange my. I actually used another cord to test it. Maybe
it's fine.
I realized that it's the fuse that is faulty. So where's the money? Let me give you. Do you want to send me?
I have the money. I have the money. It's just that I don't know how you take payments.
At the time, there's no time again. Let me go and get
the. Do you take
cash or transfer?
No, I mean, do you take cash or? You take payments in cash or time.
Let me just go. What?
Just relax, okay?
What do you say? Cash or what?
I mean, do you prefer cash or?
No, cover it.
Okay.
What do you mean? You mean me and you?
Bad boy. It's fine if you don't want though. It's fine.
Hey, but it's not as if I don't want, but
Come on, boy, think about it again. Tick-tack.
Is anybody at home? Usually I don't do this. This is against my profession.
Me too. But there's always a first time, you know.
Are you sure?
I like you.
Really? What will happen to the fuse now? I should arrange it myself.
This fuse is more important.
Oh, Jesus. Wow. You want to take my back?
You're so good.
You're so good. You are wonderful. Seriously, how long have you been doing this?
Oh, this is my first time.
Come on, how can this be your first time? Are you handling me as if you're handling a 2-year-old boy?
I'm sorry.
Well, I enjoyed this,
Bad boy.
You're very sweet. Let me just adjust and be going. Because I need to fix that TV. They will be closing at Alaba now. So let me just quickly.
But when will you come again to fix it?
I don't know. I'm already running out of loss for this particular.
Fuse is already having fault. Something you just fixed now.
It's already having this. Somebody knocking.
That should be the laundry girl. Who is there? Saudia. Come in, Auntie. Yes. How are you now?
I'm fine, no.
The clothes is over there.
Okay, is going to work, Abby?
Yes.
That's Rebecca.
What are you doing here now?
What am I doing here? Like, are you asking me what I'm doing here?
That's... Hey, you know what? I came to fix their TV.
You came to fix their TV and you are fixing your belt.
Hey, there was heat in the place. There's heat wave now.
Wait, what is going on here?
You came to fix their TV. Dressed like this. You are putting... Daddy Rebecca. Hey. What's all this one?
Which one is Daddy Rebecca again? Who are you to him?
This is my husband. So this is what you used to do? No, so this is what you used to do. I should not raise my voice. Let's go.
Wait.
Carry your bag. Let's go. If you came to fix TV,
I'm sorry.
No problem. Let's go.
Oh, Auntie, sorry.
Let's go.
I'm sorry.
You are sorry about what?
It's not what you think.
Okay, explain. Oh, okay, explain.
Yes, the TV was
the
faulty.
TV.
Okay, and you're not fixing it. You are fixing it. Mr. Fixer, you are doing well. Carry your bag. Just carry your bag. Let's go. Carry your bag. Carry your bag. Let's go. Carry your bag. Let's go.
I know where you are.
I told you I can explain. explain.
Oh yeah, explain. Explain.
He knocked. I opened the door.
I get it. He knocked and you opened the door. I get it. Carry your bag, let's go. You don't need to explain. No, you don't need to explain, Abi. So because you guys are giving me small job now, you want to be eating my man's job. No problem. Carry your bag, let's go.
I'm sorry, I didn't know he was your husband.
I will tell everybody, your mommy, your daddy, your siblings, everybody will hear about it.
Auntie,
so this is
you
will
not do that.
Carry your bag, let's go home. I will vex home. Let's go. Let's go. I beg, so you can beg.
Bye. Okay. Well, that doesn't change the fact that he was good.